Hi everyone, thank you for joining Fen from afar to watch this editing video using iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open iMovie and create a new movie, not a trailer. So when iMovie opens, you hit Create New and then Movie. From here you'll want to import media. It's easiest if this is already on your desktop, so go to Desktop. Click the media you would like to add or import, and then drag it into your editing panel. Scroll through and determine what changes you want to make. These can be speed changes, image and text inserts, detaching audio, adding audio, deleting clips. To do this, you may need to split the clip. Click on the menu called Modify and then choose Split Clip after you hover the play bar over the spot you need to split. To delete a clip, click to highlight the clip you want to get rid of and hit the delete button on your keyboard. Then it goes away. To change the speed of a clip, click on it and then click the speedometer icon. You can make the speed different here. I like to choose custom speed. The rabbit shows clips that were sped up. A turtle shows clips that were slowed down. Here you can see the difference between sped up and slowed down clips. This video was already slow or in slow-mo, so the sped up clips are more normal speed. To detach the audio, click on the clip and then select Detach Audio under the Modify menu. You can also control click by hitting Control and click to detach the audio. Then you would delete the audio like you would delete a clip. Option to record audio is under the window menu. Once the record window shows up, then hit the record button. Voiceover. Let's add a photo. You can add a photo from any of these computer options or import it from your computer's drive. So photo library, iPhoto library, any of your events where you have already imported media. Once you scroll through and find the image you want to use, just like finding the video from before, you're going to import it and drag the image to your editing panel. By double-clicking on the image, you will get different options for cropping. Ken Burns is nice if you want to slowly zoom in or out. Sometimes people change the size of the Ken Burns start and end, and they're too drastic or there's too much of a contrast, and it really messes with the eye on a short clip and makes people kind of a little motion sick. So be wary of that. Adding text is done in the titles panel. There are all different kinds. You can drop a title in like a clip or a photo, then edit your text. So here I'm going to put in a title, Warner Art Glass Center, Rupert's Drops, because that's what we did. Demonstrated by Lauren. You can make this longer or shorter by dragging the edge of your clip Shorter titles are harder to read and they go by too fast. You know what it says, other people might not. You can also add text over an image. Make sure you click off of the text panels or it doesn't save. That happened to me quite a few times while I was editing this. You can drag this out as well. If it goes into a black slide, that's okay, but you could continue and drag the photo out just like you would drag out the actual text clip. Make sure after you're done typing, you delete anything that you don't want because that will show up in your credits or your titles. Transitions are a great way to end a clip or a video, but they make your file size larger, so be cautious with the amount that you use. Always review your video before saving. Also spell check everything, because if you're like me, you can't spell. Look at that pride. This is why it's good to check everything, because as you can see, my credits didn't work, so I have to go back in, edit those, and make sure that I click off of the text box. Make sure that you check everything, you double check it. Anytime you make a change, you scroll through the whole video again, because you never want to publish a video that has a problem in it and then have to go back, edit it, and then republish it. It's just very frustrating. The last thing you have to do is export. So to export, you select File and then Share. Choose File. Change the name of your file to something recognizable, but get rid of the spaces when you get into the Save As window. So here I'm doing Fen Movie Edit. Hit Next. And then get rid of those spaces. Spaces mean something in computer language and will slowly corrupt your file as they sit there. This circle shows the sharing progress. So right now there's nothing there, and there we go, we've got something. So that'll finish, and then it'll let you know that your file has been properly shared. Normally I share it directly to my desktop, so it makes it easier to find, and then upload onto YouTube or Google Classroom or my Google Drive, wherever I need it. Thanks for watching.